In a world where technology appears to have dominion over our decisions, responsibilities, and emotions, its influence is undeniable. We at TSM want to have a positive impact on the world with our actions. Designing and implementing simple solutions capable of making life easier, rewarding people, and facilitating the daily commitment needed to make common spaces healthy and welcoming, and our cities more beautiful and livable, respecting the environment and promoting sustainable development.
We succeed because at TSM we have chosen to always stand by the side of the people.
TSM, the human side of cleaning.